positions. Here's your middle C. I want you to take your left hand and put it over an octave, the octave on A. Okay? In the middle, you'll put your second finger on the E, and these three notes, let's just play them together. That's your first position. Your second position, I want you to take your thumb and move it down a half step to the G sharp, keeping the bottom two fingers on the same notes. And just get used to the way that feels, moving from the first position to the second position. Great. Now, the order of the positions will go like this. First position, you'll play it twice. Then you're going to go back and forth. Down, up, down, up, and then finishing with down, repeat. All right, let's try that again. So, first position, twice. Down, up, down, up, down, repeat. The way we'll actually play the left hand is as a broken octave or a broken chord. So we're going to go bottom, middle, top. When we move the thumb, we'll play bottom, middle, top. Here we go. So we know the order now. That first position, we'll play it twice. Bottom, middle, top, and repeat. Moving the thumb down, bottom, middle, top, thumb goes up. Down, up, down, and repeat. All right, now in rhythm, as we know, we're going to be counting in a cycle of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do it again. This time, please play along if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In my right hand, my pinky's on C, my thumb is on E. In my left hand, I'm over an A octave. Second finger is on E. We're going to notice where the hands come together and where they do not come together. My first note in my right hand will start the song all by itself. I'm going to play the third finger on the A there, as well as my pinky on the A together. The left hand will continue through. My hands will come together again on the A's. My left hand will start back down here. My right hand needs to finish this note a couple more times. Together again on the A. And again. Okay, that's a nice little thing to remember. So every time you hit an A, you're playing your hands together. Moving on, I know in the right hand I have to move up to step up to my top finger and then come back to my middle. So starting with finger 4, also my left hand needs to come down, the thumb needs to come down. Here I'm going to go together, 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 together. Okay, here we go. Stop there for a second. Now I know my left hand does need to finish, but that is also where the second half of the sentence will start. So let's go back to the beginning of this sentence 1A, and then we'll continue through. Starting the second half, I am going to play together on the A's. My right hand moves up to the fourth finger, left hand moves into the down position. Together again. Right hand's going to move up to the top finger, and the left hand's going to move back into the first position. Together, together, together. Finishing with my fourth finger on the B here. My left hand comes down. Remember, in the left hand I'm going to have two positions here, and in my right hand I have to finish from the 4 to the 1. Holding that, and then finishing with my thumb. Here is actually where the next sentence would start, which we haven't yet done, but that's okay. We're gonna throw that in there. All right, so let's go back. Hands together. We're going to play it a couple times. I'll play it first very slowly, and then I'll play it closer to tempo. One more time, a little bit quicker.